Welcome to Levi's fan channel. We are visiting Levi's sister that he calls Yaya, and this is one of her ceiling fans at her apartment. And we're just going to use the switch to turn that off. I believe it's on, I'm going to say medium. There we go. This is Levi's YaYa's college apartment. No,
actually, it's fine. She's not going to stop you.
Levi's going into Elise's roommate's bedroom because I'm busy making video, that's why. Okay, I'm going to come under here and get a better view from this angle. What do you think about this, Levi?
This is my room. Kind of messy, isn't it? Messy. Oh. You want it off? Yeah. I think Mom was going to do that.
Yeah. Don't you want it on a video, Levi?
Yeah.
All right. We'll come in here, and as soon as this one's done spinning down, we'll move over to that one, huh?
Oh. It's not too late.
I've got one hand on Levi because directly behind me is a stairwell. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but that didn't sound right. What you hear right there is the washer and a washer. It's tucked in neatly in this little landing. Would you call this a landing, Elise?
Sure.
This landing in between the two upstairs bedrooms. And apparently there is a bag full of glass right here. Okay. And almost. Okay, and we'll call this one the landing fan. It has spun down.